So you found an airplane that you want at a price you can afford, but is it a dream come true or the stuff of nightmares? Buying the wrong airplane can literally cost you over $100,000 in repairs to make it airworthy, all while it spends months in the hangar, leaving you stuck on the ground. At Mobile Aircraft Maintenance LLC, we take the mystery and the heartache out of your purchase by inspecting the aircraft nose to tail to ensure that it has not only received the proper maintenance, but that there are no hidden issues with the engine or the airframe itself. Our mechanics are federally licensed for airframe and power plant repairs and carry an inspection authorization, ensuring that we are up to date on all federal requirements. While many in the industry rely solely on compression testing, we utilize a state-of-the-art articulating borescope to inspect the inside of the engine and sections of the airframe that would otherwise require a complete teardown of the aircraft. In a time when many are subcontracting out their inspections, our founder and senior inspector has been certified since 2001 and brings that experience to each and every client. So before you commit to buy, know you can trust it to fly. Visit us online today for our current pricing at mobileaircraftrepair.com.